It's required from us to draw this simple basic drawing. Our dimensions are in millimeters, so we're gonna go new there, metric, standards, millimeters. I'm gonna say create. Here we are going to start with circles. So there is the first one, okay? There is the second one. Now comes the third and the fourth. Right. Now we are going to draw this rectangle there. Okay, can go up to there, doesn't matter. Now we're gonna make sure that this one here is 56 millimeters, so 56, right? This one needs to be 32. Okay, that one needs to be 40, and from there to there we need to have 20 millimeters. Okay, 20 millimeter it is. Okay, then after that we need to make sure that from there to there we have 45 millimeters. Okay, and this one here we need to have 40 millimeter there as diameter, and that one needs to be 24 millimeters, so 24. That is good. After that we are going to go for this rectangle here, and that needs to be 40 as well, so 40 it is. Thank you. We need to make sure that from there to there we have 20 millimeters. Is 20 millimeters. That is good. Then this need to be 30. Okay, now we're gonna do this. We're gonna have this one up to there, this one up to there. Now from there to here we need to have 50 millimeters, so come again, 50 it is, and from here to there this angle need to be 135 millimeters. That is good. Now you have your frame. The next thing that you need to do now is to go on 3D model, because you have that dimensions, you have this one, you have that dimension, you have this dimension, don't have that one. So yeah, this one is part of, yeah, you have it there. So you're gonna go on 3D model. Okay, now you're going to extrude this part. Okay, that one. Oh, sorry, I realized that there's a part that I need to draw first. Okay, do you see this space in the between? That's one. I need to have it. Okay, so what you need to do is you're gonna go on a rectangle there. Okay, and you're gonna draw that. You're gonna make sure that from there to there you have 14 millimeters, so 14 millimeters. That is good. Now you are done. You can go on 3D model now. Right, you click on extrude. So now you are going to extrude this part here, and that's one by 14 millimeters, so 1/4 both sides of the drawing plane. That is both sides. You click on plus. You need to extrude this part here. Okay, oh, it's fine. This part by 18 millimeters. Okay, so you can do this as well. You say plus, you go there. I need to cut the one inside. Okay, so I'm gonna cut that one. I say plus. I come here. I'm going to extrude this part here. Okay, that's one, and this one by 60 millimeters, so 60. Okay, both sides of the drawing plane. Then okay, so yeah, then I'm going to extrude that part as well, so there plus this one by 60 plus 8, you see, 4 there, 4 here. So I say 68. 60 plus 8 is 68. I say okay, but I say plus again. Now I need to cut this. Yeah, I need to cut it by 68 minus minus 36. So you have 32. There you go. So you say cut. Now you have your drawing. Okay, there you go. As simple as that. Now if you want, you can give the material of your simple basic drawing. So you're gonna come here, you click on maybe low alloy steel. Okay, there you go. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're gonna enjoy it. For now, I'm gonna ask you to take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe, don't forget to share, don't forget to like. See you on the next video. Bye. Let's draw this chain link in front of us. Since our dimensions are in millimeters, we're gonna go new the metric standards millimeters and say create. So here we are going to start with a slot. So we're gonna draw a slot there. Okay, this is our first one. And then comes our second one. Okay, there we go. So we'll make sure that from here to there we have 17 millimeters. So 17, that is good. And we'll make sure that this one here is 10 millimeters. So 10. After that, we'll make sure that this one here is 8.5, it is, and this one inside should be 4.5, which it is. Okay, 4.5, sorry for that, which it is now. Now that I have this, what I'm gonna do next is I'm gonna go on 3D model, right? I'm gonna click on extrude. I'm going to extrude by the diameter, which is 4 millimeters in our case. Now I'll come and click there, creating a fillet. I'll create a fillet there. Okay, the same apply there, the same apply this one here, at that one there, and at this one. As you can see, the whole thing is smooth with a 2 millimeter radius. What you're gonna do next is you come on there and say okay. Now you have created your chain link. As simple as that. The next thing that you want is to give the material. So in our case, I think let's see, we're gonna have carbon steel. Where's carbon steel? There we go. Now you have your chain link. It was a pleasure of mine sharing this video with you. I hope that you enjoyed it. I hope that you're going to enjoy it. For now, I'll ask you, take care of yourself. Please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. See you on the next video. Bye.